There are 8 ships of the British Royal Navy that have been named HMS Edgar. HMS Edgar, 1668, a 70-gun third-rate launched in 1668, rebuilt in 1700, and destroyed in an accidental fire 1711. HMS Edgar, 1758, a 60-gun fourth-rate launched in 1758 and sunk as a breakwater in 1774. HMS Edgar, 1779, a 74-gun third-rate launched in 1779, converted to a prison hulk in 1813, renamed Retribution in 1814, and broken up 1835. HMS Edgar, 1858, a screw-propelled 91-gun second-rate launched in 1858, on loan to the Customs Service as a hulk in 1870, and sold 1904. The fifth Edgar, launched 1859, was renamed Hood in 1860. HMS Edgar, 1890, an Edgar-class cruiser launched in 1890 and sold 1921. HMS Edgar, 51, an aircraft carrier launched in March 1944, renamed Perseus in June, and broken up 1958. The eighth Edgar was to have been a 9,000-ton cruiser. Projected in 1945, the ship was cancelled in March 1946. References: College, J.J. Warlow, Ben, 2006, 1969. Ships of the Royal Navy, the complete record of all fighting ships of the Royal Navy, Rev. ed. London, Chatham Publishing. ISBN 978-1-86176-281-8. OCLC 67,375,475.